For 19, I want to use the power rule. So whenever we have a power to a power, we want to multiply those. So this will be w to the 40. With 20, I'm going to put a 1 here with the a because there's an implied 1 there. And then if I basically distribute this 2, it's going to be a squared and b to the 8. And that'll be my answer. And then lastly, with 21, again, there's an implied 1 here. There's actually implied 1 here as well. So if I take this 2 and distribute it to all of them, this is going to be 2 squared x to the 8 y squared z to the 6, and then 2 squared out in front, I want to express that as 4. So that will be my final answer.